Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the gossip quest about the collector take photos at the scenic locations. This one, like this. And for the scenic locations, you must go to the 4 locations. And for the locations, first, you must go to the jump puzzle area, jump puzzle forest. Just go to this area, on this area, and then just go up like this, and then just head to this area on this view, and then next just simply tap on camera to take a photo like this for these first locations. And as you can see, you already successfully take photos at the first scenic locations like this. And then for the second locations is on here near the NPC wheel at the lighthouse. This one, just take photo on here like this. You can see the quest complete again. And then for the third locations is on the big tree of the whale mountain. On here just take a photo on here like this. And then for the last locations is on the Onsen Mountain, more precisely on here. Just go to this area and then just take a photo like this, and then your quest auto complete like this. And then last, you need to go find collector to confirm the quest like this. Just go back to the collector, NPC collector, and then just confirm the quest to complete the quest like this. And then your gossip quest about the collector will be complete. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.